our continuation and of example 8. We are now in part B, and we still have this information, that is the information that we have that the height is distributed between or within a standard a mean of 165 and a standard deviation of 3.5. And part B of the question states, Stephen is looking for a woman whose height is between 168 and 174 centimeters for a part in his next film. So find the proportion of women from this group who meet Stephen's criteria. Of course, we are talking about a probability of finding a woman whose height is greater than 168 and less than 174. That is where we are. And this one talks of, because we have the H, we have to bring in the Z. So we're looking for the probability of a Z which is greater than, this is our unfamiliar boundary, which is lower boundary, and this is our unfamiliar upper boundary. So we have 168 minus 165 all over 3.5 less than, we have to have a Z. You're looking for a Z that is going, that we are looking for the proportions. And this one is going to be less than 174 minus 165 all over 3.5. If you work out that, then you'll find 0.857. So we're looking for a probability of 0.857 less than Z, which is less than the upper boundary now in terms of Z becomes 2.571. 2.571. Diagrammatically, we are looking at something like this. We have something that looks like this. We have a model that looks like that. Both of them are positive. So, positive 0.857 and 2.571. So we are looking for that proportionality. We are looking for that area, the area of that region, which is going to give us the probability. And if you look at that, basically what we are having, if you look, if you want to work with a model, we can talk about the probability of Z less than 2.571 minus, because if we work out this, then we are going to get the area from this particular point to the left. So if we minus this area, minus the probability of Z less than 0.857, then we will be answering our question, because we will be left. If we get the whole of this area to the left minus the whole of this area to the left, then we will simply be left with a shaded region. And this area from 2.571 to the left is this, and this area from 0.857 to the left is actually this. So both of them are less than, and what we need to understand is that we need to go to the table on page 201, and we identify our Z when it is 2.57 rather. Page 201, 2.57, we are getting it, we don't have exactly 2.57, but we have 2.55. 2.55 is closer to 2.57 than 2.6. Now, the area or the proportion that we get from 2.55 is 0.99, 0.9946 minus, let us go to the limit or the z, which is 0.857, 0.857, and we are getting something to do with 857. We are getting the closest is 0.86, which gives us a probability of 0.80, 0.8051. And sure enough, when we have this 0.9946, 0.9946 minus 0.8051 is going to give us 0.1895. This is 0.1895. So the probability of finding a woman who is between 168 and 174 is 0.1895. Or rather, all women between 168 to 174 centimeters tall, they comprise of, if you multiply this one by 100, they make 18.95%. So either way, but the probability of finding a woman in that area is 0.1895. And that is the end of example 8.